Are you holding on to something in your life? Is there something that you associate with who you are that you're unwilling to let go in order to have a relationship with people around you? Think about that just for a moment. Maybe it's popularity, maybe it's money, maybe it's the car you drive, maybe it's your intellect, maybe you can't be seen with people that are not as smart as you. Maybe it's other things you take pride in, looks, your athletic ability, whatever it is. There are always certain things that we tend to gather around us to make us feel more secure about ourselves that we're not willing to let go in order to have a relationship with people around us. And we deny ourselves this relationship, and we get into little groups, into cliques, into little factions, and we destroy the unity of the body. That's what Paul's addressing here. Is that true with us?